Chemistry 0620, Paper 2, Variance 1, May, June 2021. We will be solving all of page 7. So, question 16. An example of a redox reaction is shown. Zinc plus copper, but the difference is that the charge of zinc is increased and the charge of copper is decreased. Which statement about the reaction is correct? So let's interpret the reaction. What can we find out about the reaction before we come to the choices, okay? So what do we see here? The charge of zinc, okay, increased. This means that zinc is oxidized, okay? The charge of copper decreased. This means that copper is reduced, okay? Because zinc is oxidized, this means zinc is the reducing agent. Because copper is reduced, this means copper is the oxidizing agent, okay? So we can find about this much from the reaction. Now let's look at the statements. Zn is the oxidizing agent? No. So cancel this one. Zn is the oxidizing agent? No. Zn is the reducing agent? Yes. And it oxidizes copper? No. Zn is a reducing agent and it reduces copper? Yes. So whenever you're solving such questions and your answer is usually in the end, always try to cancel out the incorrect options before you reach the correct answer. Question 17. Which statement about a reaction in equilibrium is correct? Both the forward and the backward reactions are proceeding at the same rate. Yes, that is correct. Neither the forward nor the backward reactions producing? No. The amount of product present is no longer affected by changes? No. The amount of product present is only affected by change in pressure? No. So 17A is the answer. Element X forms an oxide, XO, that neutralizes sulfuric acid, which we describe as X and XO. So basically, to neutralize sulfuric acid, you need a metal and you need a basic. So element X is the metal element, then the oxide is basic. So the answer is B. Okay, last question. Copper sulfate is prepared by adding excess copper oxide to warm dilute sulfuric acid. Which purification methods are used to obtain pure solid copper sulfate from the reaction mixture? So you need to obtain pure solid copper sulfate. The only method that's going to allow us to obtain pure solid is going to be crystallization and filtration. So the answer is B, 1 and 2.